Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the Toybox, a fun, toy factory that introduces kids to 3D printing. With its simple 3D printer and library of G-rated models. Let's see if it's the perfect way to spark your child's creativity. The Toybox printer is like the easy bake oven of 3D printing. Designed as a junior-sized introduction to this exciting hobby. With its child-friendly features and easy-to-use interface, the Toybox is perfect for younger children. The printer's all-metal frame ensures durability, and its rounded edges and minimal exposed parts prioritize safety. It can be controlled using a tablet or smartphone, adding to its convenience. What sets the Toybox apart is its focus on creating a toy building experience rather than just being a 3D printer. The printer utilizes a curated library of family-friendly prints, with each upload being human-approved. G-rated, and specifically compatible with the Toybox's printing capabilities. The company even has licensing agreements with DC Comics, Cartoon Network, and other studios, allowing you to print approved comic book character action figures. The Toybox website serves as the central hub for this experience, offering curated models, a user-friendly slicer, and clever apps for customizing toys. One such app is Block Buddy, where kids can create their own action figures by combining different body parts. Another app allows them to design cars, boats, or trains by simply drawing the outline on the screen. The Toybox is designed to be extremely user-friendly, particularly for families new to 3D printing. The printer has limited settings, with a fixed layer height of 0.2 mm and a speed of 60 mpps. To ensure smooth operation, third-party filaments are not supported, and using them may void the warranty. The Toybox offers its own range of colorful and kid-friendly filaments at a smaller size and affordable price. The design of the Toybox is both practical and appealing. With its smooth metal frame and white powder-coated surface, it looks sleek and modern. The printer has only one button for powering off and a touchscreen for controlling the hot end temperature and filament movement. Safety is a priority, with rounded edges and secure wire management to prevent any accidents. The print bed of the Toybox is unheated and uses a thick rubbery magnet pad, which holds prints securely. Despite the lack of a heated bed, the printer's default settings and focus on PLA filament make it inconsequential. The build plate is cleverly designed with extra space, ensuring prints won't fall off the edge even if they're not perfectly centered. Setting up the Toybox is straightforward, and the printer relies on a phone app for operation. After connecting to your home Wi-Fi and linking it with the web app, you can easily control the printer from your device. There's no need to level the print bed, as it's already factory leveled for your convenience. The Toybox comes with its own slicer, which is integrated into the overall experience. While the slicer's options are limited to scaling, adding supports, and choosing print speed, these limitations are intentional to make it easy for young children to use. Although you can import your own files and use external slicers, caution is advised as no specific profiles are provided for the Toybox. The Toybox library offers a wide range of verified models, ensuring family-friendly prints without the need for support. Additionally, the Toybox website provides clever apps for creating custom toys, allowing kids to unleash their creativity even further. While files cannot be saved to external media or sent to non-Toybox printers, the overall experience is designed to provide a hassle-free and fun 3D printing adventure for children. That concludes our review of the Toybox, a fantastic 3D printing experience for kids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off.